All right, I'm getting ready to install the front bumper and the back bumper and the winch. I already did put a 2.5-inch lift on and 35-inch tires. I did the rough country, the shocks and the springs for the lift. The tires I put on a Toyo Open Country RT Pros. They're kind of a mix between a mud tire and an all-terrain. Great tires, super smooth and surprisingly quiet too. This thing's gonna look a whole lot different. We're gonna start doing some wheeling in it once I get it all done and ready. I think I'm gonna start with the back bumper. It looks to be the least tedious. I'm gonna have to work on this after work each night until I get it done. I went with the Quadratec Carnivore bumpers. I like the style of them. I think they'll look pretty good. And then I'm gonna put on an open road winch with a synthetic line. Well, there ain't much to the factory bumper. I mean, it's super lightweight. I'm sure it wouldn't take much on an impact. Got her on there. That was kind of tricky. I did have to use my jack. That kind of helped. That thing's pretty heavy. Now I just got to line it, gap it, and tighten it down, and might be all I get done tonight. Work on it some more tomorrow night. All right, back bumper's all done. Now to start on the front one. Well, it took me a minute to get the wire harness out of this thing. It was all up inside there. But this is what it looks like without the bumper on there. There was a lot of clips, this whole thing. Now it's time to start getting this all put together. Well, I've been working on getting the bumper put together. I had to get the factory fog lights put in. That took quite a while to get all that disassembled and get the wiring pulled out, and I got those done and getting ready to put the top bar on, tighten it down, and then it looks like I'll be putting this on the Jeep. But it's late, so it's time to call it. Back at it. I got done as much as I could last night, but I only got so much time between getting home from work and dinner and getting to bed because we get up super early in the morning. But I'm gonna see how much I can get done today. After looking at how the winch mounts on here and the way this plate comes up against the front end, I think it would be best to go ahead and put the winch on before I put the bumper on. That's unfortunately going to add a lot of weight, so I'll probably have to be a little creative on getting it up and mounted onto the Jeep when the time comes, but I have an idea, so I'll figure it out. Alright, getting this winch mounted on here. It's a good thing I did do this before I put the bumper on. I did find out the only way to get the screws into here is to take the fog lights off, so I'll take the side off and then I can get that bolt in there. But I guess if I would have known that, I would have left the fog lights off and did that last, but did not know. Alright, I think I got everything all on here I need to. I think what I'm going to try to do is put the bumper up onto the jack and use the jack to get it all lined up and get the bolts put in to hold it. Just got to get the Jeep lined up good and straight for this, and see what happens. Well, I got her on. I didn't film any of that because I knew it was going to be a little sketchy doing it, and it was really hard getting it lined up and steadying it on the jack, but I got her. Heavy little sucker. Dang, it looks good compared to the factory one. Holy cow. Now just to finish hooking up the lights and get the winch wired up. Alright, I wanted to show that I got all the bumpers on. Really like it. Big old heavy duty suckers, that's for sure. They were pretty heavy to put on with the winch on for sure, but I think it turned out pretty good. I still plan on putting some lighting on here. I'll probably put a amber light bar up here, we're thinking, and some lights down here. And then I got my fog lights. And I don't know if I'm going to keep my yellow ones. I do like the yellow ones, but maybe some amber ones would be better. But we'll see. I think I'm excited for the tires to take them off-road. Even down the road handling is absolutely awesome, and the highway's surprisingly quiet and smooth too for big old tires with lugs on them. But they're very smooth tires. I really like them. Really like them. Can't wait to see what they do on some trails. And the back bumper. I couldn't believe how plasticky the stock one was. Just shocking. Now we got a big old solid bumper. It does have the ability to put in some backup lights back here if I wanted to. And at some point I'll probably do that. One step at a time. Hope you all like our Jeeping videos. I know we're side-by-side people, but we're all about just off-roading, getting out and exploring. So hopefully this will be just something a little different for you to watch, to enjoy.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Got a Kawasaki Terex 4 Blackout Edition. Got it over in Oklahoma last weekend.